guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Alexandra here. First of all, if you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're going to be doing a watching me transform, you know, from 0 to 100, basic to baddie, whatever you'd like to call this. Whoa. So today's makeup is inspired by Karen, aka iluvsarahii, here on YouTube. It's her recent Wearable Neutral Neon Look. So enough of me acting a fool. Let's get straight into this video. Alright, so I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows right now with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 42. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Milani concealer in Deep Tan. I'm going to place it all over my lid as a base for my eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to take my Coty Airspun translucent powder and just set the outer edges of that concealer. And yes, I'm taking my James Charles Morphe palette again, and I'm going to go into the shade 10% Off, and I'm going to blend that in my outer corner and in my imaginary creases because it really don't exist. Alright, I'm going to take my Morphe 35O palette and go into this cream shade and place it all over the lid. Alright, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, go into Sphere and place this as my inner corner color. Then I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and go into this green and place it on top of that. I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner and create myself a wing. Can we send a prayer up for your girl because she struggles with wing liner? Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Brights Liner in Halo and I'm just going to outline the tail of that wing. For lashes, I'm taking my Country Girl Wink lashes in the style Tumbleweed. Alright, so I'm going to just do the rest of my face. I'm not really going to talk because I don't have anything new going on with my face routine. So if you have any questions, just leave them down below. Alright. right, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.